Hello everyone, myself Radha Kevat Shah, Assistant Professor of Pune University. Today I will want to talk about FAB. FAB or fixed action pattern is an ethological term describing an instinctive behavioral sequence that is highly stereotyped in species-specific characteristics. Fixed action patterns are said to be produced by the innate releasing mechanism, a hardwired neural network in response to a sign stimulus or releaser. Konrad Lorenz was the founder of this concept. This is the picture of ethologist Konrad Lorenz. Some examples of FAB are observed in fish and birds. Classic studies by Konrad Lorenz and Nico Tinbergen involve male stickleback mating behavior and grey lag goose egg retrieval behavior. Some of the characteristics of FAB are like there is an important characteristics of FAB that is known as sign stimulus. It is also known as releaser, is determining feature of a stimulus that is produce a response. Sign stimuli are often found when observing a fixed action pattern, that is an innate behavior with very little variance in manner in which the actions are executed. Several examples of sign stimulus can be observed through observation of animal behavior in their natural environment. Like in the case of grey leg goose, the scene of egg is the sign stimulus, and the scene of egg out of his or her nest is the sign stimulus. There are some evolutionary advantages of FAB, like it is shown to be it increase both the fitness and speed. However, as a result of their predictability, they may also be used as a mean of exploitation. An example of this exploitation would be brood parasitism. This is the disadvantage of FAB. There are some characteristics of FAB, that is released or triggered or independent of experience. These are all are the characteristics of FAB. Like released in terms of FAB is the response to a certain assigned stimulus or releaser. Triggered, that is once released, a FAB continues to be completion. That is, if it is once released, it is continue until it is completed, even when there are changes in the surrounding environment. Like that, it is not at all a matter whether the environment is changed or not, but if once it is released, it will be complete. That is known as triggered. Independent of experience, like FAB is not dependent on any type of previous experience. It is innate. This is known as FAB or fixed action pattern is complete upon the very first release. If it is released, it will be completed. That is the meaning of FAB. Okay. Now it is enough for today lecture. I will tell the example of FAB and explain it in the next lecture. Thank you.